So today's topic is about 10% law that we see in the chapter of environment. This law is present there in class 10th and also in class 12th. Now what is 10% law? As we know that the population is divided into various trophic level. जो ये population है ये कई trophic levels में divide की गई है. इसमें first level आपका होता है primary level in which the organisms are producers जिनको आप green plant कहते हैं. After that is secondary level and it consists of primary consumers जो herbivores जो आपके herbivores होते हैं जो directly plants को consume करते हैं. They are present in the third level that is called as secondary consumer जो क्या करते हैं carnivores या omnivores, those who eat rabbit, we can say herbivores. After that tertiary level that is scavengers and decomposers. जो scavengers होते हैं dead remain plants होते हैं, parts plant नहीं dead remain जो animals होते हैं उनको consume करते हैं. और decomposer their work is to decompose the dead body of these organisms. So these are the various primary levels, trophic level that are present in the ecosystem. Further, when we talk about that, it consists of one of the law that is called as 10% law. Now, when the food, we can say the producer are becoming food of the another level is becoming of another level. So in this there is a transfer of energy also. क्या ट्रांसफ़र हो रही है? एनर्जी भी साथ में ट्रांसफ़र होती जा रही है. तो जो ये एनर्जी का ट्रांसफ़र होता है, मैनी ऑफ यू माइट बी थिंकिंग कि 100% एनर्जी जो होती है एक लेवल से दूसरे टॉपिक लेवल में ट्रांसफ़र हो रही होती है. बट नो, इट्स नॉट लाइक दिस. द एनर्जी इज ट्रांसफरिंग फ्रॉम टॉपिक लेवल 1 to tropic level 2. It depends upon a law that is called as 10% law. So 10% law, this law was given by Lindemann. According to Lindemann, he told that when the energy is passed from one trophic level to another trophic level, only 10% of the energy is passed. Means only 10% of the energy is passed from one trophic level to another trophic level, and rest of the 90% energy it is consumed, or we can say it is absorbed as heat in the environment. मतलब क्या बताया मैंने? जैसे 100% आपकी एनर्जी है, 100% में जो 10% एनर्जी है वही एक लेवल से दूसरे ट्रॉफिक लेवल में पास होती है, ठीक. और जो बाकी 90% ऑफ द एनर्जी है वो क्या करती है? बाकी जो 90% एनर्जी है वो एज हीट इन्वायरमेंट में रिलीज हो जाती है. गेट रिलीज इन द इन्वायरमेंट एज हीट. So these are the things that are telling about the 10% law. Again, 10% law states that only 10% of the total energy passes from one level to another trophic level, and rest of the 90% of the energy is released as heat in the environment. I think you have found this topic useful. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.